Hi everyone, and this is Richard Perry again with today's morning report for Thursday the 3rd of July. Going to look at cable now on non-farm payrolls Thursday. And cable is just in this consolidation mode at the moment. It's just run out a little bit of steam. It had an attempted push higher yesterday morning on the back of that construction PMI for the UK that beat so spectacularly, then formed a little bit of a consolidation after the ADP number, and now into today's trading we're seeing just a little slight amount of consolidation again as the market approaches this key non-farm payrolls report. In front of that, you do have the the services PMI for the UK, which could have an impact. Certainly, if it missed estimates, then you could see a bit of pressure on the chart. But at the moment, we're just consolidating sideways, and we're waiting for this, I think, ultimately the payrolls report, because you've been in this phase recently of sterling strength, and that's been driven by the data, and any sort of stronger US data could give an excuse for profit taking, and certainly I think you'd be looking out for this support at 71.30. Which is a bit of an interim and near-term support, but that would sort of complete, you would argue, some sort of a near-term topping pattern, but then you'd put pressure on that 71 big figure support, which I think would be also a near-term stopping area. But ultimately, you'd then be back into this big band of support between 70.60 and 71 big figure. 70 big figure and 70.60, and I think that is the key near-term support area. I think that a correction could come back into that would ultimately, I think, therefore then be a good buying opportunity for sterling once again. But at the moment, as I said, we're just drifting a little bit sideways in front of all this data that we've got out today, and sterling is just showing a few signs on this daily chart of just slightly being a little bit stretched and needing of a bit of a consolidation or even a correction. And I think if you were to see that correction, you'd probably be back into this, as I said, 70 big figure up towards 70.60 point that I would see as a buying opportunity. In terms of the RSI, we're still up and stretched. We're still up towards this level that we reached in early May, and as I said the other day, that subsequently resulted in a correction that lasted about 6-7 days. So that's interesting enough as it is. So just bear in mind that upside potential in this cable move is fairly limited, and you've seen a strong green candle followed by a pretty strong candle 2 days ago, and yesterday a fairly tepid green candle. So that it does seem to be that the upside momentum is just decelerating now. So it wouldn't be beyond the realms of fantasy to expect a correction at some stage soon. Anyway, that could come today if this non-farm payrolls report is as strong, certainly, as that ADP report was yesterday, and that could induce the profit-taking correction on cable. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you